Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to update you on the latest that's happening with the JUTC. Now the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Holness, has handed over 100 new buses to the JUTC. These are modern CNG buses, state-of-the-art buses, and his administration has plans to buy 300 new buses. So this is the first allotment, or 100 out of the 300 buses that are to come. And this represents the single largest acquisition of buses in Jamaican history. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on the plans the Prime Minister has for the JUTC. The new 100 compressed natural gas CNG buses that were formerly handed over to the state-run Jamaica Urban Transit Company represent the largest single addition to the entity's fleet. The fleet already includes 25 CNG buses, and the addition of the 100 new units is expected to significantly expand the JUTC's capacity to provide cleaner, more efficient service. The provision also signifies the government's commitment to improving and building out the public transport sector. Prime Minister the Most Honourable Holness, who addressed the handover ceremony at the JUTC's depot in St. Catherine, said the investment will seek to reduce incidents of theft of fuel and parts from the JUTC fleet. As we move to change out the entire fleet of these to other forms of fuel-driven buses, CNG and electric buses, we hope to radically cut the theft of JUTC fuel and parts to ensure that those savings, both in the cost of fuel and the theft of the fuel, are passed on into more convenience in buses for the people of Jamaica, he said. The buses which arrived in July will be deployed to deliver service across Portmore, Spanish Town and other areas in St. Catherine. Alright guys, so that is the latest on the 100 buses that Holness has handed over to the JUTC. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about the job the government is doing with the JUTC. Alright guys, have a good day.